Demonstrating compliance with the NIS2 Directive requires a structured approach, starting with assessment and planning. We recommend the following best practices. 1. Conduct a thorough inventory of all digital assets, systems, and services that fall under NIS2's scope. 2. Document existing security policies, procedures, and technical controls. 3. Evaluate current incident response capabilities and identify response gaps. 4. Create a detailed mapping of existing controls to specific NIS2 requirements. 5. Prioritize identified gaps based on risk level and compliance impact. 6. Develop a comprehensive implementation roadmap with clear milestones and responsibilities. 7. Identify required internal and external expertise needed for successful implementation. 8. Establish a realistic compliance budget that accounts for all necessary investments. And lastly, 9. Determine achievable timelines aligned with organizational capabilities and constraints. To learn more about NIS2 compliance, please visit kiteworks.com.